Our skill lesson we are learning about today is called cause and effect. A cause is something that makes something else happen. An effect is what happens as a result of the cause. We see examples of cause and effect situations in everyday life. Here is one example of cause and effect.
Because I stuck the pin to the balloon, it popped.
If you stick a balloon with a pin, the balloon will pop. The cause was sticking the balloon with a pin. The effect was the balloon popped. Here is another example of a cause and effect situation.
Because I dropped the egg, it cracked.
Because I didn't catch the egg cracked. The cause was dropping the egg. The effect was the egg cracked. Here's one more example of an everyday cause and effect situation.
Because I leaned too far back in my chair, I fell over.
Since I leaned too far back in my chair, I fell over backwards. The cause of this situation was leaning too far back in the chair. The effect was falling over backwards. Cause and effect clue words are because, if, so, as a result, since, and many others. A lot of times when you see these words in a sentence, it is a clue that this is a cause and effect relationship. The book, If You Give a Mouse a Cookie, is a great example of cause and effect situations. If You Give a Mouse a Cookie is about a boy who gives a mouse a cookie and what the mouse will want after he is given this cookie. The book teaches students that every action has a consequence, and it focuses on cause and effect relationship. Here are a few examples from the book. If you give a mouse a cookie, he's going to ask you for a glass of milk. When you give him the milk, he'll probably ask you for a straw. As you can tell, one thing led to another, all because the boy gave the mouse a cookie. As you can see, every minute of the day is filled with cause and effect situations. Now let's review. Cause is what makes something happen. An effect is what happens as a result of the cause. Clue words to remember are because, if, so, since, as a result. Great job!